Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Air Command style menu on your Samsung Galaxy device. So are you bored of this Air Command which you use on your Samsung S25 Ultra, like this, and you want to change it to something like this, or like this? Well, Pentastic allows you to customize the Air Command menu when using your SPen. So you can change the design, layout, and even add fun sound effects when SPen is detached or attached. So it turns a basic productivity feature into something stylish and enjoyable. So let me show you how you can change this Air Command menu to the ones that I've showed in this video. So to do this, you want to go ahead and first open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and open up the Pentastic module, which is right here. Tap on this. And now as you can see, this is the Air Command. So this is what you have currently. So this is the default Air Command. If you go ahead and swipe left, you have line, you have circle, and you have retro. So you can go ahead and choose which one you like. Let's go for the circle one. Now you can go ahead and choose your brightness. So you can go ahead and control the background brightness, and you can control the blur. You can go ahead and choose your own personal background on this. Tap on use. Now when you go ahead and press home, you'll see that your Air Command has been changed. And that's your new Air Command. So with the Pentastic module, you can personalize the Air Command appearance. You can make the SPen more fun and interactive. It enhances both productivity and your style. So there you go guys, that is how to change your Air Command style menu on your Samsung Galaxy device.